I acknowledge that. I acknowledge dialysis, ganun din, di ba? But ang point is not that, I tell my staff, huwag kayong pumunta sa akin at sasabihin nyo, sa major subjects, 90 kayo lahat, pero sa isang subject, 70 ka. We're talking about our healthcare system eh. And that's why you're supposed to have periodic surveys. But nowadays with digital, and because you regulate hospitals, you cannot send to all the hospitals one piece of paper, or you cannot send a iPad na sasagutin nila, then they give it to you at sasagutin?
For your information, the PhilHealth is currently doing what's called shadow billing for the diagnosis-related groups.
Sir, you're not answering my questions eh. Nandun ako sa inyong survey sa case rate para
the
malaman.
survey is the shadow billing of how much each case costs currently in several hospitals.
And how
I think
long?
160 hospitals.
It's November.
PhilHealth is doing
it's
this.
November now. Taguig has 1.3 million residents. We have about 160 to 180,000 households. Every quarter, we do a survey with 200 questions at least per household. Every quarter. It's November now. Why can you not have this survey para alam talaga natin magkano? So, if you're going to tell me...
You're asking about a household survey done by
I'm telling
PSA
you
or
that
a survey of cost of hospitalization?
we're surveying 160,000 households every 3 months.
Household, not hospitals.
Not hospitals.
So we're surveying hospital
Yes.
costs.
So isn't it easier for you? You're going to do 160 hospitals na under your regulation, hindi nyo matapos kaagad?
It's ongoing. We're doing it. Kailan matatapos?
It's November na eh.
For the survey to be completed, it's about 5 to 6 million claims that they started to average the cost.
You don't need the claims. Ang pinag-uusapan dito, costing analysis. All you have to do is ask all the hospitals yung bawat ano nyo, magkano yon.
So when there is a claim, there is also the actual cost and the bill. So PhilHealth has all that data.
Kaya nga
So there it's doing the survey
Mr. Secretary,
of 5,000.
Mr. Secretary, learn to listen then. I'm telling you, pinapahirapan nyo ang sarili nyo. Ito, cesarean section, 23,000 to 58,000 pesos. Sa Fabella, 37,000 pasok. Sa Makati Med, 18 to 240,000. All you have to do is ask Makati Med to average that for you. You send the survey forms, they send it back. You're talking about 160 hospitals. Kayang gawin ng 1 linggo yan. Pinapahirapan nyo sarili nyo. So, 2024, that's 9 years hindi kayo nag-survey. Sorry, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 22. 7 years. So last year, nilagyan nyo na lang percentage. Ngayon, November na, wala pa rin. So habang wala yan, niloloko natin ang tao sa billing nila. Kasi announce tayo ng announce na don't worry, may PhilHealth, lahat kayo, membro, may zero billing, may billing, may ganitong programa, etc. Litong-lito na sila. Di ba? So why don't we simplify it?